Hello! Today, we'll introduce items that are useful when traveling to Japan in July. By bringing these items, you can enjoy Japan's summer more comfortably. Let's get started. First, we recommend bringing sunscreen. The sun in Japan is very strong in July, and the UV rays are intense. Using sunscreen can protect your skin from UV rays and prevent sunburn. It's essential when going out, especially at tourist spots and beaches. Be sure to apply it not only on your face but also on exposed areas like your neck and arms. Sunscreen can be easily purchased at drugstores or convenience stores, costing around 1,000 yen. Recently, waterproof types that are resistant to sweat and water have become popular. With these, you can enjoy your sightseeing with peace of mind all day long. Next, we recommend a hat. Wearing a stylish hat can help you avoid direct sunlight and stay cool. It's especially necessary when spending long hours outdoors to protect your head. Hats can be bought at fashion stores or souvenir shops in tourist areas, costing around 2,000 yen. Japan offers a variety of hat designs, which can also serve as a travel memento. Additionally, wearing a hat helps with sun protection and can mitigate the heat. To make your summer travels in Japan more comfortable, be sure to bring a hat. Next, we recommend a foldable umbrella. Even after the rainy season ends in Japan, sudden showers can occur. A foldable umbrella is convenient to carry as it can easily fit into your backpack or bag. You can buy it at convenience stores or drugstores, costing between 500 and 1,000 yen. It ensures you can continue sightseeing comfortably even if it suddenly rains. It's especially useful when visiting tourist spots or using public transportation. Moreover, modern foldable umbrellas are lightweight and wind-resistant, making them handy on windy days. To stay comfortable even on rainy days, we recommend bringing a foldable umbrella. Next up are sweat wipes. Japan's summer is very humid, and it's common to sweat while out. Sweat wipes allow you to quickly wipe away sweat and keep yourself feeling fresh and clean. They can be bought at drugstores or convenience stores for around 300 yen. These wipes are a must-have in Japan's humid summer. They come in various types, including scented ones and those with skin-friendly ingredients. To stay comfortable during your travels, always carry sweat wipes with you. Don't forget to bring insect repellent spray. Japan's summer has many mosquitoes and insects, especially in the evening or during outdoor activities. Using insect repellent spray can protect you from mosquitoes and bugs, ensuring a comfortable experience. It can be purchased at drugstores or outdoor shops for around 500 yen. There are various types, including spray and lotion forms, so choose one that suits you best. It's an essential item, especially when visiting natural areas or campsites. We also recommend a portable fan to stay cool during hot days. A portable fan allows you to enjoy a cool breeze anytime. It can be bought at electronics stores or online for 1,000 to 300 yen. There are rechargeable models and hands-free types that can be worn around the neck, so you can choose based on your needs. A portable fan is extremely helpful on particularly hot days. It provides a refreshing breeze wherever you go, making it effective for preventing heat stroke. Next, we recommend an insulated water bottle. It keeps your drinks cold for a long time, which helps prevent heat stroke. You can buy it at sports shops or outdoor shops for around 2,000 yen. Carrying an insulated water bottle ensures you always have cold water or tea, which helps lower your body temperature. Additionally, even if you buy drinks from vending machines or convenience stores in Japan, they can warm up quickly. Having an insulated water bottle is very convenient. How was it? By bringing these items, you can enjoy your trip to Japan in July even more. Have a safe and enjoyable trip. Look forward to our next video.